Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Chic, and today you guys, we are packing for Essence Festival. Yes girl, I've been wanting to go to Essence Festival for a few years. Every time it comes around, something comes up. Last year I was pregnant. This year I am going to Essence Festival, you guys. I am so freaking stoked about going to Essence Festival. I cannot wait to see some of my favorite influencers there that have been people around saying they're going to be going to Essence Festival as well, so I'm super excited about that. I'm also excited if I see any of you guys at Essence Festival this year. Let me know, come up and speak. I definitely will do the same if I see any of my favorite influencers as well. But anyway you guys, I'm packing for Essence Festival. This is my first year going, so I'm not really sure what to pack. I'm just going to kind of go through my wardrobe, pull a few things out, see what I have, see what I can put together. And I don't want to purchase anything new for this trip because I am going to Miami for my birthday in August, so I don't want to spend a lot of money anyway. And this little top, you guys, you probably have seen this top on all the influencers. Yeah, I finally got my hands on it. It's a little snug. I probably should have went up a size, but I'm planning on losing a little bit more weight. So for now, I'm going to try to make it work. But this is the Urban Revival, this little blazer situation. So freaking cute. I love the button detail on it. Again, it's a little snug, so I'm trying to make it work, but I plan on losing a little bit of weight in the next couple of weeks, so hopefully by the time I do that, it'll fit just right. Anyway you guys, let's go ahead and hop right into the first look that I'm packing. Again, this is my first year going, so I'm not really sure what to pack. I'm going for comfort, but still kind of, you know, grown, casual, chic style. So let me show you guys my first look for Essence Festival. It's gonna be the Target times Janae Naylor, that little infamous cutout dress from her second drop. You guys, this dress, and I was so surprised. This is one of the things I was like, oh, it's not really my vibe. You guys, I saw it when I went into my Target still was stocked with the second drop of items. When I went in, I was like, oh my god, they still have all these items. I was surprised because the first drop sold out. So the first outfit I'm gonna wear this is a dinner option. It's the black Janae Naylor cutout top. I'll pop up a little clip of me trying it out. I'm gonna style it up with some little not kittens, kind of like a cat style, like a cat size heel. It's kind of like a rope detail, and my little gold Bottega dupe clutch from Amazon. Super cute, super casual. The heels are really comfortable, so I did decide I wanted to wear them out walking around. They're very comfortable, so I don't have to wear them with my feet hurting. Just a really cute, casual, really good dinner night outfit. Love this dress, and I was so surprised. I actually tried it on in yellow as well, and it looked cute in yellow, so I may go back and get it in yellow as well. I ended up getting a size 14 the dress. You guys, this dress, if you don't get this dress 8. If you don't get anything else from the collection from the drop 2, get this dress. All right, the second outfit that I am bringing to Essence Festival is also something from the Janae Naylor times Target collection. It's this like this black kind of like a spaghetti kind of strap top that has the gold button detail. I almost looks like the blazer from the first drop, but it's just like a top. It's super cute. I'll pop up a picture of what it looks like here. I'm gonna pair a pair of my Zara shorts and then my Steve Madden dad sandals. Super cute. And then probably throw my little bitty small mini Gucci little bag quote bag over it. There's a cute little casual walking around, going to grab lunch, hitting a couple little events, little outfits. Super cute, casual. Love these shorts. I love how they fit. Like those mom shorts, and then like the dad sandals. So comfortable, you guys. I really want the Chanel dad sandals, but you guys, I just cannot bite the bullet to pay for them right now. So super cute though. The Steve Madden do the job. You know, Uncle he gonna come through every time. So super cute. I love this outfit. Super cute, super casual. I think I got the top in a size 16, so it's a little big. I may have to get it taken in. I may take it in myself because I do know how to sew, because they didn't have a 14 or a 12 in my store. So I got the shirt in a 16 if I'm not mistaken. But super cute. Love this top. Wish she had came out in more colors. The third outfit, you guys, that I'm taking to Essence Festival, again, another cute casual outfit, just to kind of be going around in the daytime, shopping, doing a little bit of, you know, browsing, hitting the strip. Are these black trouser shorts. I'm gonna pair it with a yellow. I'm gonna bring two shirt options. I have like a tan, kind of like a really comfortable shirt I don't have to wear a bra with, and I also have this yellow top that I got from Zara. Well, actually both tops are from Zara. I'm gonna bring both of those as an option and wear with the black trouser shorts. I pop up a picture with them on with the yellow shirt. Super cute, super simple, casual. I'm gonna also pop it again with my dad sandals from Steve Madden, with my Steve Madden, like my little crossbody kind of, I forgot the name of the extra style purse, but I'll pop a picture, you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna pop that little purse on top of that. Super casual, just kind of hanging there if I'm gonna go out on the strip that night. Super comfortable. Love these shorts. I think the shorts came from H&M, and then the top options are from Zara. The yellow one and also the tan one came from Zara. So I'm gonna bring two shirt options for those shorts with the dad sandals, and also I'm gonna pop my little Steve Madden crossbody bag. Super cute. Throw it on out the door. Love this outfit as well. The next outfit I'm going to bring is another Janae Naylor collection top. Is the white button down vest, kind of linen vest top from the first drop. You guys, I wish I could have got this in a bigger size. I think I have like a 12, I think. I really need a 14 because again, I'm trying to lose a little weight, so it fits a little snug, but I'm still going to make it work. Love this top. I'm going to pair it with the same black and white checkered shorts that I showed you guys in the haul video, with my Tory Burch black sandals, and then my little Tory Burch little small mini bag. Super cute, super casual. And pop me a pair of sunglasses on, light makeup, and head out the door. Love this outfit. So this is what that outfit looks like. Again, the shorts are from Marshall's for $12, I think, and then the top is from that first drop from the Janae Naylor collection. All right, the next outfit I'm going to bring you guys is this little black Zara top, basic little black Zara top. I want to pair it with a leopard print slip skirt. Super cute if I just don't really feel like doing anything that day, depending on how the mood I'm in. I want to be really super comfortable. This is the outfit that, you know, it hits every time. So the little slip dress is also from TJ Maxx. I think I paid like $15 for it. And then the top is from Zara. I'm going to pair that with my Tory Burch sandals, my little Tory Burch same little black bag, a pair of black sunglasses. Out the door I go. Super cute, super comfortable, super casual. Again, I'm going for comfort, you guys, because I heard it's a lot of walking. Again, this is my first time going, so I really don't know the vibe I need to be wearing, so I'm going to go for comfort. The next outfit I'm going to wear, this is also another dinner night outfit, is this cream taupey color dress with orange like squiggly lines all over. This came from Amazon, and I'm going to pair it with my Hermes inspired dupe sandals. They're orange. They're from Belk. I think I paid like $19 for these, or $24. And I'm going to pair it with my Bottega dupe orange clutch, also from Amazon. Super cute, super casual. I really need to lose a little bit more weight for this dress, but you know what, yeah, I'm gonna give myself some grace. I just had a baby. She is 6 months old. Well, actually she's 8 months now, so I need to tell people that she's 8 months now. But again, I'm gonna give myself some grace. I could lose a little bit more weight to feel more comfortable in this outfit, but I'm gonna bring it anyway as an option for dinner night. I'm just gonna roll with it, you guys. You know, you're gonna see the fupa, but it's gonna be okay. Super cute, super casual. This is what the outfit looks like. Again, the dress is from Amazon, baggage from Amazon, and then the shoes are from Belk. Super cute, super casual, comfortable. I'm not hoping it's not too hot because the dress is a little thick, so I'm hoping it's not gonna be too hot. So we'll see, but I'm gonna bring it as an option as well. So the next outfit I'm gonna wear, you guys, is I'm going to bring with me, it's going to be this denim top from Zara. Super cute, super casual. Love this top. Oh, I wish I would have got a bigger size in, but yeah, I'm trying to lose a little weight, so it's gonna feel a little better once I lose a little bit more weight. So I'm gonna pair that denim top from Zara with the infamous Urban Revival little balloon skirt. It's like a taupe-ish color brown skirt. I popped the picture of it here, of the clip of it here with it on. I'm gonna pair that with my MCM bag and then my little Tory Burch brown sandals. Super cute. Gonna hit every single time. Those colors just, they hit. So super casual, going for comfort. So that's the theme of this of this haul. Alright, you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. That's pretty much all I'm packing for Essence Festival. I know it seems like a lot, but not really. I am gonna pack a couple more options just to have some options. Just because I decided I want to mix and match a few things. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. Catch you guys in the next video. Baby Autumn is like, Mama, come get me. She's over it. She's over me. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys either Essence Festival or in the next video. Bye.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't